So we're all here today because we share a core belief. Children are the future. At Parenting Matters, we believe that parenting is one of the most powerful ways to change the future. Regardless of how difficult that journey is, Parenting Matters is here to walk with parents every step of the way.
With our parent educators, we were able to learn different parenting styles, how to blend our styles and come to basically a combined front. For me, the parent team is the most important team.
Well, I think that is one of the most important core values that we can teach our kids, is that we want them to be honest, have integrity, or how to listen and then do the activity.
Truly made a difference for my family. It changed the whole dynamic at home because learning, receiving information, and getting support helps us understand our children better. But it also reminded me that parents matter.
We had no clue what we were doing. But then, this lovely woman named Catherine, she got us involved with Parenting Matters, and she helped me communicate with my girls.
Without this organization, I feel like my family, along with other families of adopted children, would not have access to the things that we sorely needed.
Parenting Matters has given me realistic, practical skills that are tailored to both my son's needs and my own challenges. Week by week, I can see myself growing, not just as a parent, but as a person. Because of the support that I've received through these parenting classes, I have tools, I have guidance, but most importantly, I am able to break the generational cycles to create something different for my son.
Each and every one of you here today make this work happen. Each one of you are making a difference in our community, one family at a time.